I was in the McDonald's drive-thru the other day and I opened up my camera app, as one does, and my face was looking a little flat. That, like, this sounds like a joke, but I'm so serious. That's like how I came to this epiphany. And I was like, something must be done. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been. Ouch. I usually snap while I do my little intro song, but now I have like crystals on my nails and it hurt to snap. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? So if you're thinking to yourself, wow, she looks gorgeous, I'm thinking the same thing too. Today, you guys are gonna see me transform from, you know, basic Betty to this. I'm obsessed with this look. I do this hair from start to finish. I install it completely glueless. This is not glued down. I can pick this up, pull this off, slide it around, all that. So yeah, you guys watch me install this hair and do this full beat. So yeah, if you want to see me do this crazy freaking transformation, then keep watching. Okay, so we're starting off with hair. I'm bare right now. I have on like no makeup, no hair, no nothing. Let's go ahead and install this wig. She is brand new, untouched. I'm just taking her out the box, pulling out the coupe with a lot, 12 bucks flat, busting out the bags out the box. I just did a lick with the box. I will have the link to this wig in the description box. Full lace. It's got straps in it, which is why I keep repurchasing this wig, because I have a small head and I like it to be glueless, so I can put it on and off every day, so I can actively be taking care of my hair underneath. And yeah, it's really good lace. I really love this wig. So yeah, I'll have the link to it down below. Sorry if you can see like this little knob here, but it's my mirror, so like I kind of need it here. Boom. This lace is transparent. Oh my god. And I'm just, something about 16 inches, baby. I just love 16-inch hair. I love it. Pretty much looks good like this. I could leave it like this, honestly. So initially, I'm just gonna like go and cut like right up close to the hairline, then we'll detail it a little bit. You know what I mean? Like right now, I just need to get this lace cut. And do y'all like my nail? It's my first time ever doing stones on my nails, like ever. Somebody as extra as me would have expected that I did that before, but no. And now I'm obsessed. I never want to do nails without stones ever again. I'm in love. And we're gonna cut around the ear, of course, which always makes me nervous. I don't know why, it just does. Now we're gonna cut like, you know, right up on the lace, right to the hairline. This one little, like how that flaps up, I cannot handle that, because when I go to put it up, then it's gonna be like that. So I think I'm gonna cut that there too. I'm just trying to think, like, because I love to do half up, half down with wigs. So I'll have to pluck this hairline, obviously, but yeah, that's gotta go. Please keep in mind, I am not a professional. I don't care what you think about it. At least I know I'm mediocre at this. Okay, now we're going to plucky pluck pluck. I'm really like plucking, trying to create like more depth, I guess you would say, like more of a hairline, which might be easier to do because like, you see how like blunt that is? You want to add some depth because most hairlines are not that blunt. The Kardashians are. They got some strong genes. Them hairlines be strong. Word to Word to Kris Jenner, but I always do a middle part. I'm thinking about doing a side part, but let me just middle part her real quick. I just gotta feel the fantasy, because that's the middle part is probably how I will wear it on a daily basis. So I just need to see what the middle part is hitting for real quick, but then we gonna side part homegirl. And the reason I keep repurchasing a wig that is glueless is because the reason that like your wigs can wear down quickly, I feel like glue has a lot to do with that. And so the less glue I have to put on a unit, the better for me, honestly. I don't want these flyaways in my way, so I'm going to take some edge wax and I'm just using this to slick this hair over and keep it in place, like out of my way, you know? Like, y'all go over there for a second. Give me a minute. Boom. Boom. Y'all see the part that I'm creating there? This is finna look so fire on me. Oh, there it is. There she is. Boom. I didn't bleach knots or anything in this unit. I don't do all that, mama. I don't do all that. I'm gonna work with the lace you give me because I'm lazy and I'm already not very good at hair. So like, I ain't finna do nothing crazy. It's not happening with me, dog. Now, I'm gonna put some concealer in that part. Let's make it do what it do, you know? This wax is working really well. Very impressed. Very impressed. My nails are so cute, right? Okay, that has nothing to do with anything. Let's move on to the makeup. Okay, so for brows, y'all already know the vibes. I'm taking, if I can get it out of my makeup bag, I'm taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. Yes, look at my nails. I'm showing them off, I don't care. I'm taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil and my Brow Drama by Maybelline. I feel like this video, like once I'm finished filming this transformation video, I'm gonna see myself at my full potential. And then after that, everything else will be ugly. Like I'll be like, I don't look like this every day. I'm ugly. I have to do my bullet journal for March. If y'all are interested in seeing bullet journal videos from me, let me know. I'd be happy to share with you guys. I bullet journal every single day. Well, most days. I'm trying to think, do I want to do eyeshadow? Or do I really want to just focus on the face, you know? For today, I'm going to skip eyeshadow. Because I just want to be really like clean, and not that eyeshadow doesn't make you look clean or can't look clean and put together, but you know what I mean? Like, I just want to look kind of effortlessly glam. All right, let's move on to the face. Sprayed with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of LA Girl Pro Powder, and I'm going to apply that to my skin before I apply foundation. I love how smooth and, you know, and nice my foundation looked on top of it. And I'm not doing a lot because my skin and powder like do not get along. I've like been saying for a long time that I don't have a lot of brow hair, but now I kind of have brow hair. Who is she? I'm taking my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. All right, and now section by section, I'm going to blend out my foundation. When I really focus on blending out my foundation, like section by section and not jumping around, that's when my coverage is the best. I mean, obviously, you know, I just have always been a little chaotic. And so I'm usually just like, you know, gotta get my makeup done in 4 minutes, you know, because I'm the definition of chaos sometimes, especially if I'm anxious. Oh, brother. I have to shave my face. I've been saying that a lot lately. I need to go ahead and do it. Taking my ColourPop concealer. I am in the shade Dark 42. First, I'm going to pick up concealer from the wand onto my concealer brush and go right under the brow. When you said It was over, shot right through my heart. Why you let these hoes steal what we had? I know. Why is that song stuck in my head? I'm gonna let the concealer sit and dry for a couple of seconds, then I'll blend it out. I'm so impatient that, like, instead of just sitting and doing something or letting my concealer dry, I will start lining up my next makeup product so that I can get through the process faster. Patience, nowhere to be found. I love the way that my chin looks after I highlight it. I just love it. I don't know. Is that weird? I don't care. Taking my e.l.f. cream contour palette, and we're gonna contour the nose first, because I say it all the time on this channel, literally all the time. A good nose contour can change your life, change your credit score, change your account balance. So yeah, gonna make sure our nose is snatched, and then I'm gonna contour on my cheeks. If you're not new here, you're like, oh, look at you contouring your face. Yeah, a lot of times I don't contour my cheeks and I just do a little bit of bronzer, but I'm trying to get into contouring my cheeks, because when I don't contour my cheeks, and a lot of days I don't contour or like do bronzer, and so I feel like my face has been looking flat because I do wear like concealer and like I'm highlighting, but I'm not contouring, you know? And so when you create highlights, you need to be creating shadows. So I think I need to go ahead and start contouring my face. I don't know. I was in the McDonald's drive-thru the other day and I opened up my camera app, as one does, and my face was looking a little flat. That, like, this sounds like a joke, but I'm so serious. That's like how I came to this epiphany. And I was like, something must be done. Same old song and dance. Y'all already know. Actually, no. I was gonna take my e.l.f. blush palette, but I'm gonna use a different blush. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. cream blush in the shade Soft Rose. It's kind of dirty, but it's a cream blush, so like, you know, that's my excuse. It's actually not even that dirty. It just has like old foundation residue in it. But like I said, it's a cream blush. For highlight, I'm taking the 50 watt highlight by LA Girl. Y'all notice a trend here. I love LA Girl and e.l.f. Love, stan. All right, I'm gonna finish my lash, my lips, and then I'll be back to do full reveal for you guys. Hair, makeup, everything. This is the finished look. I am in love, obsessed. I feel at my best right now. Like, I feel so cute. I feel so cute. I feel cute even when I look like a troll. So like, you already, just imagine if I feel cute when I don't even be looking that cute, imagine what I look like right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, let's chat. Leave a comment down below. Let's talk about it. If you like this video, then subscribe for more videos like this one and not like this one, because I'm versatile. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.